Which cordless electric scissors actually deliver? Simple question, but you have to look beyond the flashy claims. Today, we'll dive into 5 options that truly stand out for various cutting needs. Product number 1, Works Zip Snip. Let's kick things off with the Works Zip Snip cordless electric scissors. This one caught my eye with its promise of cutting through tough materials effortlessly, and it's priced competitively. If you want to make cutting less of a chore, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 4V battery is designed for extended use, so you won't be charging it constantly. It's lightweight at just 1 pound, which means you can tackle those long crafting sessions without fatigue. Plus, it cuts through materials up to 1/4 inch thick, whether it's cardboard, fabric, or leather. With over 10,000 units sold last month, it's clear that a lot of people trust this product to get the job done. Now, some people complained about the safety mechanism being a bit tricky at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it actually feels pretty secure and prevents accidental cuts. So if you're a DIY enthusiast or just need something reliable for home projects, this could be a great fit. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable tool for various materials without worrying about hand strain. Skip this one if you prefer something with more complex features or a heavier build. For what you get, it's a solid value. Now, if the Zip Snip's learning curve bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Snap Fresh Electric Scissors. We have the Snap Fresh Cordless Electric Scissors, priced at $37.99. This one promises versatility and ease of use. If you need something that can handle a variety of materials without breaking the bank, take a closer look. Here's why this matters for you. Weighing in at just 0.87 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight and designed for comfort, which is perfect for those long cutting sessions. It can cut through materials like cardboard, leather, and plastic up to 1/4 inch thick. Plus, it comes with an extra blade, meaning you won't be left high and dry during your projects. With over 3,000 units sold this past month, it's definitely catching on fast. Now, some users mentioned that the safety switch could be a hassle to operate. I'll be real with you. While it does take a moment to get used to, it's a crucial feature that keeps your fingers safe. For those who prioritize safety during home projects, it's definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable yet effective tool for various DIY tasks. Skip this one if you're looking for something heavy-duty or industrial grade. For the price, it offers solid performance and reliability. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want extended cutting time.
Product number 3, Syzygy Electric Scissors. Let's talk about the Syzygy Cordless Electric Scissors. At only $29.99, it offers features that usually come at a higher price point. If you're looking for something that effortlessly cuts through tough materials, this one might catch your attention. Here's why this matters for you. With a high-torque 350 RPM motor, these scissors can slice through cardboard and leather with minimal effort. The 2500 mAh battery gives you about 60 to 90 minutes of runtime, so you can work on your projects without constant interruptions. Plus, it includes 3 tungsten steel blades that self-sharpen, which means you won't constantly have to replace them. Given that over 2,000 people bought it recently, it's clearly making an impact. Now, some users noted that it's a bit noisy compared to others. Here's the thing though, it operates under 60 decibels, which is still quieter than a traditional box cutter, making it a workable option for home and office use. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on performance. Skip this one if noise level is a major concern for you. Honestly, at this price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if the self-sharpening blades intrigued you, you're going to want to hear about the next product. Product number 4, Zeit Electric Scissors. The Zeit 4V Cordless Electric Scissors. Priced at $35.99, this tool caught my eye with its unique safety features and design. If safety and ease of use are at the top of your list, this could be the one for you. Why should you care? With a max cutting depth of 1/4 inch, it can handle everything from cardboard to flower stems with ease. The built-in safety lock is a great touch. You simply squeeze the handle to engage it, making it much safer than many alternatives. It's also lightweight at just 1.04 pounds, so you can maneuver it easily. With over 2,000 sales recently, it's clear that many people trust this product for their cutting needs. Now, some buyers mention that the safety feature can feel a bit awkward. Here's my take. Once you get used to it, it actually makes cutting a lot safer, which is especially important if you have kids around. This is perfect for you if you want a user-friendly tool that prioritizes safety. Skip this one if you're used to traditional scissors and find it hard to adapt. For the features, it's a good value. All right, let's wrap things up with a highly rated option that boasts quick charging and easy blade changes. Product number 5, Fantic C8 Nano. We have the Fantic C8 Nano, priced at $49.99. This one stands out with its LED display and quick blade changes. If you want something that combines power with user-friendly features, this is worth checking out. Here's why it matters. The high magnet motor boosts cutting power by 15%, and it offers 3 speed settings for different cutting tasks. A fast 1-hour charge provides up to 40 minutes of runtime, which is impressive for a cordless tool. The LED display lets you see real-time battery life, so you're not left guessing. It's also compatible with other electric scissors blades, adding versatility to your toolkit. With over 2,000 sales in the past month, it's gaining traction fast. Now, some users felt that the 3 speed settings were unnecessary. Here's the thing though, having options means you can tailor your cutting experience to your specific needs, which is a huge plus for DIY projects. This is perfect for you if you want a high-tech tool that makes cutting tasks easier and more efficient. Skip this one if you prefer something straightforward without multiple settings. For what you get, it's a solid investment. To wrap things up, we've covered a range of cordless electric scissors, from the versatile Works Zip Snip to the tech-savvy Fantic C8 Nano. Each offers something unique depending on your cutting needs, so choose wisely. To wrap things up, we've covered the Works Zip Snip for its reliability, the Snap Fresh for its comfort, the SizJ for its performance, the Zite for its safety features, and the Fantic C8 Nano for its advanced technology. Each has its strengths, so you can't really go wrong depending on what you need. Happy cutting!